life is not worth much. Have you heard that today? Has somebody said that to you? Is the enemy trying to make you believe that you're not worth anything? Today we'll discuss the reality, which is that Abba, your Father, is working on making something beautiful out of you. He is working on your behalf. And after you hear the words today, you will understand what is going on. Abba tells us in Isaiah 61 in verse 4, in the New Life Version, they, speaking of his children, will build the cities again that were destroyed long ago. Do you feel like your life has been destroyed? Do you feel like things are going on that has made you feel useless? Listen to what his word says. They, his children, you will rise up and bring up what has been torn down, and you will build that which has been destroyed and has been laid waste through the years of many families and their children, even unto their children's children. Today you may hear that. You may have said, my life has not been any good. My whole family's life for generations has not been any good. Well, my friend, today you have heard the word of Abba, your Father, that has said he will restore, he will rebuild. For you see, the enemies of Abba, the devil, and those that are in his camp will try to make you believe you are not worth anything. Oh, this is the way it has been for generations, and this is the way it will stay. And if you choose to believe that, you're correct. That is what will happen. But my friend, Abba has just told us in his words today that he will raise up what has been torn down. He will build that which has been destroyed. That is you, my friend. You may feel like you're downtrodden. You may feel like you're being run over on a daily basis. But Abba has said he will rebuild for you. If you will believe that today and receive that today, you will see a change in your life. For in Romans 8:28, in the New King James Version, it says, and we know that all things work together for good to them that love God, or to them that love Abba their Father, to them who are called according to his purpose. Today, where do you find yourself? Do you know God? Are you called according to his purpose? Are you his friend? Then we have to believe his word, which simply tells us that all things. And you say, yeah, but I can't believe this bad thing that's happening is working for my good. My friend, today you cannot see everything that Abba does. Your mind cannot even begin to fathom what Abba is doing on your behalf. But his word has clearly said to us all things. There was no question mark there. It was an emphatic statement that all things work together for your good. So you may be facing some bad things right now. You may feel like the whole world is coming against you. But my friend, Abba is not. He is working on your behalf. He is building and restoring and changing. And you may say today, yeah, but I don't really see it. I don't feel like it. Well, we don't have to see it. We don't have to feel it. What we have to do is believe what Abba's word tells us, and his word says all things are working together for good. As long as you love Abba your Father, and as long as you are seeking to find and do the purpose he has set forth for you. That's good news today, my friend. And let's go on and look at Joel 2:25, reading today out of the New International Version. And I will repay you for the years the locusts have eaten, the great locust, the young locust, and all the other locusts, even the swarm. Here, my friend, Abba is telling you He will repay you. Maybe you're listening today, maybe you're watching today, and you said, yeah, but for years, it may even seem like for generations, I have gone through problems, and still they exist. But you see, my friend, you have the promise, you have the hope that you will be restored. What has been stolen will be returned unto you. For that is a promise, and Abba cannot lie. He has not lied. He will never lie, and He says, I will restore it. I find that very interesting because you may be watching to say it today and say, oh, it's just small problems. But you see, the verse covered everything. It says large problems, little problems, even swarms of problems. Maybe today you feel like everybody is against you. But yet Abba's word says He will restore, He will pay back, and you will be made whole. You see, my friend, what is highly important is what comes out of your mouth. If you're saying today, oh, I'm sick, I'm broke, I don't see any way out, then you have just set that parameter up in your life. But if today you have watched this and you've heard the words and you said, I now have hope, for I know what is going on round about me is being good for my benefit. Abba is using it to create change, to create character, to make me better like He wants me to be. If you believe that and just start speaking to that, say with me today, it does not matter what things look like. It does not matter all the trouble I feel like I'm facing today, for I stand on Abba's holy word, and I state unequivocally, without question, full of faith, saying, I know Abba is working on my behalf, and when He's finished, I will see the good. I will become the beautiful person that He is working to create. So my friend, don't be lost today. Don't feel like there's no hope. Don't feel like your life will amount to nothing. For we have heard Abba's words today, and we know beyond any shadow of a doubt what has been stolen shall be restored. What has been torn down shall be rebuilt. And you will come out on the other side so much better, and so much thankfulness in your heart, for a mighty work has been done. For you see, you can't have a strong testimony without a fierce battle, without a fierce test. So if you're facing that today, listen to me, listen to Abba's word, and believe what you have heard, and rise up and turn things around by what you say and what you believe.